How are you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is the revisited, revamped version of the TSUKAMAKI End Knot video that I did some time ago. All the video that I used in that video I've sort of condensed to just do a free running video of me tying the knot and not so much of me talking and rambling on. Just a few comments that it was a bit too long, that I was just talking too much, that type of thing. So I thought I'd do a vid for those that just want to get to the end knot bit and condense it down a bit so you can just follow along and tie as you go type of thing. Just a couple of things that I want to point out before we get into the video. It's important to start and your wrap and start your knot on the Emoto side. So this is a Nosuro Yaito that I'm using mainly in training at the moment. This is silk, blue silk, and you can see here they've started the wrap on that side, and they've also started the end knot on that side. So this is the Emoto, this is the presentation side. This side will be out when you're wearing the sword. And then you come around here on the Ura side is where you finish the knot there. And under there are those two strands that you cut and tuck. So they don't usually present a problem as long as your end knot has been done properly with enough tension in it. Those little bits that you have to cut will just tuck up into there, and they're usually not a problem at all, though you can put a bit of glue in there if you feel you need to at that stage. So that is basically what I wanted to show you there. The handle that I'm using for the demonstration, it's not a proper handle. I have just used it to show you guys the basic structure and the go about of how to do these end knots. So don't sweat it if you see those diamonds moving or there's a bit of wood showing underneath the kashira. What I've done is just use two different bits of Ido, two different colors. I've tied them together and then I've 3/4 wrapped the handle. So this is purely a demonstration handle that I've put together in order to show you guys the process, not so much the finished product of a scar that you've just taken your time with. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Any questions, comments, queries, just jot them in the comments and I'll get back to you, as best I can. Apart from that, and I hope this helps out, guys, keep swinging and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.